I got the, started cleaning it up. I got the, board out here with the controls on it and shit, and I think this is the problem. I think something on here isn't right. So I will be checking this out. I did get some of it cleaned up. You can tell. I mean, this shit was bad. So the terminal's clean. It's coming together. Let's keep working on it. I'll be checking a lot of connections. There's not one burnt FET or transistor. Not one. So we will figure it out, guys. We will figure it out. See if I can pick this up with one hand. Show you guys what the other side looks like. There it is. Long ass fucking amp, dude. That's a big bitch. Yep. So we are slowly working on it. We are slowly going to figure out the piece of the puzzle, and we'll get her back together and the casing to it. I do not like the casing to this red. It's been painted. Someone did an okay job on it. It's not too shabby, but it's not too great either. That's what, I don't know. I'm thinking it was like the color of the amp. Let's see here. The fan shroud was busted right here. I got that glued back together. Not a big deal. The fan does work, so we got that up and running. A little fan. I'm gonna get her all cleaned up. Fan does work. We'll get this all Q-tipped and cleaned up. I'll clean up the end caps. Just a long process, guys. This doesn't need to compound because it has the material behind the FETs and transistors, so no compound. We will do some compound underneath on some of them transistors. And the top's in immaculate shape. I mean, there's not one fucking scratch on it. It's just dusty. We'll get that all cleaned up. And we'll get the fan running properly. But yeah. It's almost 2 foot long beast. No wonder it's so fucking heavy. Yeah, we got it all stripped out. Got the screws out of it, the end caps off. Got all the bars to hold down the FETs off. Got the board out. Got this board out. I got the caps off the ends of the power supply. All the fuses are out. So we got to strip down to pretty much nothing now. It's all about cleaning, inspecting, and testing. I went through with the multimeter and tested all the transistors, and everything reads 100%. So that narrows it down to this. Something's wrong on this board. So we will figure it out, and the board's coming clean. Big shout out to WD-40. This shit's the bomb. Electrical contact cleaner. I sprayed it on these volume control knobs. And look, I can turn one with my one finger. Look at that shit. You couldn't even move them before. And here's another contact cleaner. Removes dirt, oil, contaminants. Sorry. contaminants, dust, and other contaminants. High dielectric strength to 13,400 volts. Restores electrical precision. When you fuckers straighten up. Yeah, pretty lethal shit. Industrial and institutional use only. I'm finding my my WD, and I use this to clean the boards. I mean, there's shit fucking kegged all through this. Cat hair, dog hair, fucking human hair, fucking dirt. I found some sesame seeds. I mean, you can still see dirt right in there. This will be fucking 100% cleaned out when I'm done. And you can see it already how clean it is. I mean, this bitch was, that's just the first run by. So, it's coming. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to bed. I got both jobs tomorrow. I'm gonna leave you with this beautiful look of the Kicker KX 800.4. Peace.